Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an omelet on a griddle. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of milk, and any fillings you love. Whisk the eggs gently with the milk, salt, and pepper. Don't overmix. Then, preheat your griddle to a medium-low setting, about 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking. Now let's get cooking. Lightly grease your preheated griddle with a pat of butter or a quick spray of non-stick cooking spray. Pour your egg mixture onto the griddle, spreading it out evenly to form a thin layer. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the edges start to set, and the center will become mostly firm but still a little moist.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking tips. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, a quick recommendation. Stay hydrated with an Omelette water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you're whipping up delicious meals. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
This is where you customize your omelet. Once the eggs are mostly set, add your favorite fillings onto one half. Think shredded cheese, sautéed vegetables, or cooked meats. Let it cook for another minute or so. This warms your fillings and melts any cheese beautifully. Then, with a gentle hand, use your spatula to fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the filled side. Almost done. After folding, let your omelet cook for just another 30 seconds to 1 minute. This ensures everything is heated through and the cheese is perfectly gooey. Carefully slide your beautifully cooked omelet from the griddle directly onto your serving plate. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of pepper makes it look even better. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.